Bell peppers are interesting plants to grow in your garden. There's a difference between the plants that are getting full sun and this one that are partially shaded. You can see the ones that are getting the full sun have more flowers and fruits developing compared to these ones that are now getting partial shade. Is it good to pinch off the top of a small bell pepper plant? Well, some people argue it does not increase the productivity of a pepper plant. But here you can see the branching off from this point to give me multiple branches and all with fruits. So because this is not commercial growing of bell pepper, this height is good enough for me to harvest fruits. You can remove the lower leaves either by removing it from the stem, cutting it off from the stem and letting it dry, or you can just cut at the point where the leaf starts broadening at this point. Cutting it at this point is beneficial if you don't want to leave the stem exposed, especially if there is growth occurring at this point. So doing it like this means I'm not giving the plant extra work to heal the stem instead of concentrating on more growth and development. Bell pepper flowers or capsicum flowers are self-fertile, which means the transfer of pollen from the anthers to the stigma takes place within the same flower. So they are really not much affected by the population of bees in your garden. The most important nutrients when your capsicum is fruiting and flowering is P and K. At this stage, your plants do not need a lot of nitrogen. You can see they have healthy foliage to make food for the plant. But now they need nutrients to prevent flower abortion and fruit growth and development. So this nutrient water is rich in P and K, and I've made it from my homemade fertilizer mix. And I've been drenching the soil of my capsicum plants with this nutrient mix, and you can see they have so many flowers. So try this at home and see how many fruits you get from your capsicum plants. Dilute your mix 1 part to 5. And this you can use to drench your plants for healthy growth.